Superlativo assoluto. The Italian absolute superlative expresses the idea of extremely or very. It's formed by adding the suffix issimo after dropping the adjective's final vowel. Let's see it in practice. We'll take the adjective bello. The final vowel o is dropped, and we add issimo, bel plus issimo, bellissimo, which we translate as very beautiful, so beautiful. Of course, bellissimo is the masculine gender, singular. Like always, our adjectives need to match the noun in gender and number. So the plural will be bellissimi, as in I ragazzi bellissimi. Feminine gender singular is, of course, a bellissima, and the plural is le ragazze bellissime. Let's see some other examples. Alto, which is tall, altissimo. Buono, which is good, buonissimo. Veloce, which is fast, velocissimo. È facilissimo, non è vero? It's very easy, isn't it? By the way, the absolute superlative can be expressed in other ways, for example by adding molto, tanto, assai before the adjective. Per esempio, Mario è un ragazzo simpaticissimo. Or, Mario è un ragazzo molto simpatico, assai simpatico. Your choice.